like part 6 of spring cleaning. Today we're doing the fridge and freezer. We're gonna take everything off and give her a good little clean. Don't really want to do it. Let's just start in here, shall we? Right off the bat, we're gonna get rid of all this stuff because we just don't drink it and it's just been there almost a year now. Ta-da! I bet none of you have this in your fridge. You want some bugs? I think it looks much better. Time for the freezer! Yay! I don't know if that's much better. A little bit. Okay, now let's work on the outside. Just noticed this. I got mad at a sandwich I was trying to make yesterday and I threw it into the trash, but I guess I smeared mustard all over the fridge. Oopsies. Ta-da!